Do you know the feeling of frustration you get when your strategy gives you a signal to trade? You open a position, but then the price immediately reverses and triggers the stop loss. If this happens to you regularly, you definitely need to watch this video because today I will reveal how I filter out the majority of bad trades using one indicator only in a way you haven't seen before. But before we start, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Okay, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into it. In this video, I'm going to share a strategy based on following trends. Simply put, it means you trade in the direction the market is moving. You buy when others buy and sell when they sell. Trading this way can be profitable but needs patience, discipline, and you need the right indicators that will give you the most possible accurate entry signals, especially on shorter time frames. But in this video, I'll show you a low-risk strategy with highly accurate trade entries. To prove that this strategy actually really works, I will test it 100 times to see its actual win rate and profit. For the backtesting, I will use the E-mini S and P500 futures on a 1-hour time frame, but this strategy is also adaptable for smaller or longer time frames, including the 5 and 15 minutes, the 4 hours, and the daily charts, making it versatile for various trading styles. Whether you're trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, diving into major forex pairs, or exploring stocks, this strategy has got you covered. The strategy relies on just one indicator. To integrate it into your chart, navigate to the Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Premium. This indicator is highly sought after among traders and is considered one of the most popular premium trading tools. Simply click to add it to your chart. It's important to note that this is a paid indicator. By the way, this video isn't sponsored by LuxAlgo. However, I do have an exclusive offer for you. If you haven't started using it yet, check the link in my video description for up to a 20% discount. I guarantee you, by the end of this video, you'll see why you don't want to miss out on this opportunity to enhance your trading experience. Alright, let's adjust our indicator settings. First, set the presets and filters to none. Then, switch the signal mode to confirmation and exits. For candle coloring, choose confirmation simple. Don't forget to enable both the smart trail and reversal zones indicators. Lastly, activate the autopilot sensitivity by selecting one of the frequency options. This feature dynamically adjusts the signal's frequency, so be sure to experiment with each option on your asset and time frame to find the best fit. Personally, I prefer using the short-term sensitivity for this strategy. Now, before we get into the exact rules for entering long and short trades and to understand when to take profits, let me first give you an oversight of how the signals and overlays indicator work. And let's first start with the candle coloring, which is set to confirmation simple for our trading strategy. So the candle coloring is very simple to understand. If the candles are green colored, it indicates a strong bullish activity. And if the candles are colored in red, it indicates a strong bearish activity. Purple-colored candles, on the other hand, indicate a normal bullish or normal bearish activity. For beginner traders or those who are not advanced LuxAlgo users, I would recommend to use only the green and red candles for trade entry confirmations. Next, for our strategy, we are using the signal mode set to confirmation and exits, which gives us these up and down arrows on the chart, as well as these blue and orange colored X signals. The up and down arrows are going to act as our buy and sell entry signals. For this strategy, we do not want to use the exit signals, so if you like, you can open the style section within the indicator settings and just uncheck these two options right here. Now let's dive into the smart trail indicator. It's like a colored cloud below or above the price, moving with the market's ups and downs. This helps us stick with the trend and ignore small price changes. When the price is above the blue cloud, it's an uptrend, meaning prices are rising. If it falls below the red cloud, it's a downtrend, showing prices are dropping. These colors show where the price might change direction. Even if you're new to LuxAlgo, watching these colors can help you make smarter trading choices. We will use the Smart Trail indicator as a guide that tells us when to enter trades and where to set our stop loss. And finally, before we get into the exact trading rules, let's take a look at the reversal bands. The reversal bands help us spot potential turning points in the market. They show two zones on our chart, one above and one below the price. These zones help us find when prices might change direction, whether the market is going up or down, but they're especially useful when the market is moving sideways. Now on to the fun stuff. So, when exactly should we enter a long or a short trade? To answer this question, let me show you the exact trading rules, and let's first start with the rules to enter a buy trade. First, we're looking for a buy signal indicated by this green up arrow. Second, we wait for the price to enter the red reversal band and then exit the bands again. Next, we want to see the price action retesting the smart trail, represented by this blue line with a cloudy area and bouncing off of it. I know it may sound a bit complicated at first, but I promise, once you grasp it, it's super easy. Now, if these conditions are met, we can enter a long trade. We'll use the smart trail to position our stop loss and exit the trade when the price hits the upper reversal zone. Remember, this video isn't sponsored by LuxAlgo. However, using my link in the description not only supports my channel but also gives you the chance to elevate your trading profits and get up to a 20% discount on the premium tools. For a second long entry example, we follow the same criteria: a buy signal, price entering and exiting the red reversal band, and the price action bouncing off the smart trail. Remember, we use the smart trail for stop loss placement and exit the trade when the price hits the upper reversal zone. And now let's delve into the backtesting process, where I'll be using an app named Trader Edge. Here's where it gets interesting. The amount I input represents the percentage of my total balance I'm willing to risk on each trade. Starting with an initial balance of $1,000, every time a trade ends in a profit, I meticulously enter the profit percentage right here before clicking the Add Profit button. Similarly, for trades that don't go as planned and end in a loss, I record the loss percentage in the same manner and then click the Add Loss button. This exercise will be repeated 100 times to compile a significant and valuable set of trade data. Integrating this percentage-based approach helps in managing risk effectively. Now let me show you the rules for entering a sell trade. First, we're looking for a sell signal indicated by this red down arrow. Second, we wait for the price to enter the green reversal band and then exit the bands again. Next, we want to see the price action retesting the smart trail, represented by this red line with a cloudy area, and getting rejected off of it. Now, if these conditions are met, we can enter a sell trade. To position our stop loss, we are going to use the smart trail and we want to book profit as soon as the price hits the green reversal zone. Now let me show you another short trade example, and we are going to follow the same criteria. A sell signal, the price action entering and exiting the green reversal band, and the price action getting rejected off the smart trail. Remember, we use the smart trail for the stop loss placement and exit the trade when the price hits the lower reversal zone. Now to the final payoff. During the opening of the video, I told you that I was going to show you the backtesting results, and now I'm going to pay that off. Beginning with an initial balance of $1,000, here's what we've uncovered. Our strategy boasts an impressive win rate of 66%. And here's where it gets even more thrilling. Our profit skyrocketed to an astonishing 131.39%, resulting in a substantial gain of $1,313. Additionally, we achieved a remarkable streak of 11 consecutive wins, with only 4 losses. What's more, our maximum drawdown was a mere 5.4%. Taking a closer look, our profit factor stands at an impressive 2.83, showcasing the effectiveness of our strategy. The largest profit trade reached a remarkable 8%, while the largest loss trade was only 2%. Examining the equity curve, we witnessed near-flawless account growth, reaffirming the potential of this strategy in real-world trading scenarios. If you're looking to take your trading to the next level, be sure to give the LuxAlgo Premium Indicator a try, and don't forget to click my link in the description to get up to a 20% off sale. And for more high win rate strategies, make sure to check out my other videos.